Interest rates, inflation, GDP. The world is flooded with economic news, but does it actually make sense to you? Or does it just feel like noise? It's time to cut through the noise. Welcome to Econ in 10 minutes, where we break down the most complex financial concepts into clear, actionable insights, all in 10 minutes or less. First, we dive into Macroeconomics. We take the gold standard of economic theory and apply it to the real world, making the dismal science surprisingly easy to grasp. For those on the go, we have our 1-minute series. 1 Minute Macro gives you a lightning-fast look at global trends, while 1 Minute Money deconstructs the mechanics of currency and banking before your coffee even cools down. Ever wondered why some companies conquer the world, while others fail? In Business Stories, we go behind the scenes to analyze the economic strategies of the world's biggest players. And if you're just starting out, economics basics is your foundation. No jargon, no fluff, just the essential tools you need to build your economic literacy from scratch. We don't just give you facts, we give you a lens to see the world. Whether you're a student, an investor, or just a curious mind, 10 minutes a day with us will change how you see your future. Build a smarter tomorrow, one bite-sized lesson at a time. Hit that subscribe button and join our community of thinkers. This is Econ in 10 minutes. We'll see you in the next episode.